And then I realized how sparkly my décolletage. Is that what it's called? Décolletage? Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be going over my August favorites. That is right, you guys. I don't know why I said it like that. I'm in a mood. But that is right, you guys. We are going over my products that I have been really obsessed with and loving for the month of August. I have a few things here. I've got 11 items to show you guys today. So without any further ado, if you want to see the products that I was obsessed with for the month of August, then just keep watching. Things here so most of it is makeup and skincare, but I do have one thing that is hair care, and I'll go ahead and start with this first. This is the R+CO High Dive Moisture Plus Shine Cream. I have used this multiple times. I use it as like a leave-in conditioner. Here's what it looks like, and I gotta say I really did enjoy this stuff. I've used it a few times and within the past few months. R+CO did actually send this to me for free. I did not pay for this myself, and I'm not being paid to say this. It's not sponsored or anything, so thank you to R+CO for sending this my way. But I did try it out and I did end up liking it a lot, so it's in the favorites. But yeah, I like it a lot. I use it as a leave-in conditioner. I do believe that is what it's used for, just in general. Oh, and you can also use it to like soften frizz if you have that. I like this. This is my first product. Next up we can do, let's do this one body care thing. This is the new Soooo Body Shimmering Dry Oil. You guys, I love this. This has to be one of my #1 shimmering dry oil body sprays, body oils. I love this guy. I have it on right now. As you can see, it is very sparkly, so you can like see this in all of its glory. Oh baby, I want to get with you and take your picture. Like, needless to say, I really love this. It is quite inexpensive when it comes to a body oil or shimmer oil, but this one I believe was like 18 bucks to 20 bucks. It is very inexpensive and it is very nice. The only gripe I have is the nozzle. It kind of gets stuck a few times, but that's it. Like the shimmer, like the glitter, the shimmer is stunning. It's beautiful. I love it. Just dropped it. You best believe I will freaking wear this till like I can't anymore, until like it becomes freezing, because I want summer. 2 skincare products next. The first one is Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. I've been using this since I got it in the Boxy Luxe, like the first Boxy Luxe. I have used it a few times, but I recently got really back into it. I've been using it almost every night. I really love this. I really do think this is good. I think that it is worth it. It hydrates my under eyes and makes it look really smooth and not so like dry, because as you guys know, I have extremely dry skin. I put this on after I take a shower. It's quite firming too, like it gives you a bit of a lift, if you will. I like this. It is quite pricey. I think at least, again, I got this in like Boxy Luxe, so I think it could be a bit more expensive, but I think it is worth it. Next thing here, this is something new from Farmacy Beauty, and this is their Very Cherry Bright 15% clean vitamin C serum. I actually did get sent this by Farmacy in their PR, so thank you so much for Farmacy for sending this my way. I used this a few times and I really love the effect that this gives. This is quite strong. When I use this, I really see in the morning or even like within a few hours, my skin is less irritated, it's less red, it's more smooth. It is quite expensive. I think this is like $65 or something, but if you want to try it, I would highly recommend it. I think it is really great. It is paraben free, formaldehyde, donor free, synthetic fragrance free, phthalate free, mineral oil free, and cruelty free, so that's always a great thing to be. Everything else is makeup, you guys. So let's go ahead and start off with these products here, and then I've got a few palettes to show you. So I've got this right here. This is from Becca. This is their Hydra Mist Refresh and Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I got this in my BoxyCharm last month and I've been using it like crazy. I really like this setting powder. Here is what it looks like. The packaging is really nice. The setting powder is just so strange, you guys. Anybody that has spoken about this powder knows how odd it is. The powder feels like water on your skin. Like, it's so odd, but it's really cool. It feels like you're putting like a real damp sponge on your face, but it is really hydrating for me personally. It's very hydrating, it's very soothing. It lays nicely on my skin, it fills in my pores, it makes it all nice and pretty looking. I'm not wearing any of this today except for this. So, just so you know. I know a lot of people have been praising this powder just in general, and I understand the hype around it because it is a good powder. I love this. Next up, this is kind of cheating because I've had this highlighter for a long time, but this is still technically new. This is the Benefit Cookie Highlighter. And if you know, the cookie highlighter is in the Cheek Leader palette, like the bronzed palette. I have that one, and I have this highlight, but here's what it looks like. But I love the singles like so much, so I bought the single for pretty much no reason, and I've been using this quite a bit. I haven't had it for that long. I've only had this for about a week now, but I've been using the cookie highlighter in the Cheek Leader palette for a while, like since I got it. Like, holy crap, look at that, look at that. Oh baby, it's stunning, it's beautiful, I love it.
2 pieces.
Next up, we have a mascara. This is actually one by Thrive Causemetics. I got this in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus last month, or this month, yeah, August, and guys, I love this mascara. It's so nice. I really love this wand. I love the fact that it is quite thinner than the ones that I'm used to. This stuff is great. I really do enjoy this mascara. I think it is really good. The packaging is quite heavy, so it feels luxe. I will say it's not like my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara is still like my top tippity top, but like this is pretty close. If you haven't tried this mascara, I would highly recommend it. It is super nice. And Thrive Causemetics, I don't know much about them, but I do think they're like a they do things for a cause. You know, whenever you purchase a makeup item, they may like send something to someone in need. I'll have to read more about it, but I think that's kind of the gist, and that's really great if they do that. I have a lip product here. This is from A Dose of Colors. I actually got this in a BoxyCharm a few months ago. I forgot that I had it, and then I did a more bold eye look the other day, like a month ago, and I was like, I need a light nude color, and then I found this one again, and I was like, oh my god, that looks perfect. It is a nice mauvey, very light, dusty rose kind of nude. I dig it. I dig this kind of color. I love this kind of nude. I think it works nicely with my personal skin tone. So yeah, if you haven't tried the liquid lipstick from Dose of Colors in the shade, any shade, but especially in the shade Truffle, I would recommend it. Okay guys, now we're down to the last 3 things. I've got palettes. These ones, to be exact. So this first one right here is from Natasha Denona. This is her new Coral palette. I kind of like collected these. Whenever she comes out, maybe I'll show you the packaging first. Whenever she comes out with ones like this, I always get super excited because I'm like, oh, it's a new palette. I want to try it out. It's really nice packaging, and I know her big palettes are so expensive, and these ones are expensive too, but they're definitely not as bad as the big ones. I think this was like $48? $38, something like that. I don't remember, but here are what the colors look like. They are very nice, very pretty. Kind of reminds me of that like camel palette that she had a while back. Are the shades right here. Very pretty shades. I love these. I think they blend super nicely. Next palette is the KKW So Fire palette. I was really shocked to love this palette. The only reason that I say that I'm shocked is because I've never used a KK Beauty palette before, so I didn't really know what to expect. But here is what the packaging looks like. It is very cool, and here is what the palette looks like, and if you can see, it is very pretty colors. They are quite basic colors, I'm not gonna lie. They are quite like oranges and browns and warm tones, but I thoroughly enjoyed this. I thought they blended pretty nicely. I thought that these shimmer shades were really pretty and that they went on super nicely. So if you haven't tried this palette, then I would highly recommend it. And last palette, you guys, and I'm cheating. I'm totally cheating on this last item because I haven't had it for like that long. I've had it for about a week and a half now, maybe 2 weeks or so, but I've used it a couple times and I am absolutely in love. This is the ABH palette with Jackie Aina, and it's freaking gorgeous, you guys. I knew this was gonna be a favorite when I first tried it out, but it's beautiful. I've been using it a lot. It blends so nicely. The shadows are really creamy. They're really glidey. They're not patchy. The shimmers are stunning. It's so pretty. I love this palette. It's one of my favorite palettes from Anastasia so far. Again, I know I'm cheating because I haven't had it for that long, but I have been using it pretty much every day that I do my makeup since I've got it. So you guys, that has been my favorites for the month of August. What are your favorites for the month of August? Did you have anything that differs from mine? If you do, please leave it in the comments. I would love to know that because I like getting recommendations for like other products, skincare, hair care, stuff like that. But yes, you guys, this is going to be the end of the video today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!